Hey guys, welcome back to BlueStar's Unboxed Studios. I'm Sam, and today we're going to be unboxing the 2105i Granit Ultra Rugged Cordless Scanner from Honeywell. Let me just jump right in. All right out of our box, we've got some bagged items. Looks like this is gonna be the base for our scanner. A cord. And our scanner. Let me clear this all away and we'll keep going. Engineered to excel within warehouses, distribution centers, and other manufacturing environments, the Granit Ultra Scanner puts rugged to the test with its capability to survive harsh conditions and keep performing efficiently. Living up to those claims, this scanner can withstand 10-foot drops from fork trucks and docks, 7,500 1-meter tumbles from a normal working height, and a wide variety of operating temps throughout the year. The Granit Ultra Scanner combines high-speed processing, AI algorithms, and decoding advancements to deliver scanning speeds approximately 45% faster than the previous Granit XP model, helping the Granit Ultra read a greater range of smudged, torn, or damaged barcodes. Its scratch and impact-resistant scan window is IP65-68 protected to rule out any negative impacts. With multiple scan models available, the Granit Ultra offers a decoding option for virtually every application, and it comes in both cordless and corded configurations. As always, I wanted to thank the team at Honeywell for sending over this scanner so that I could unbox it for you and show off its features and benefits. Now, if you're interested in pricing or availability, be sure to reach out to your BlueStar rep today. Thanks, guys.